It's Tuesday, campers. We're rolling now. General Motors said today its Chevrolet Volt rechargeable electric car should get 230 miles per gallon in city driving, more than 4 times the current champion, the Toyota Prius. Stay tuned. Citigroup reported today it approved $6 billion in new lending initiatives during the second quarter as part of its program supported by government bailout funds. Your money at work. Energy prices slumped today on a Labor Department report that suggested consumer spending, a major economic driver, may be depressed for some time as companies cut back. Wall Street's reaction? Here are the numbers. Bernard Madoff's longtime deputy, Frank DiPascali, was charged with 10 crimes and is expected to plead guilty in cooperation deal with investigators for his role in Wall Street's biggest investment fraud. And U.S. output per worker rose at its fastest pace in 6 years during the second quarter as businesses wrung more from shrinking staff, and a sign that recovery from this recession will be slow and unlikely to create a surge in hiring. For the Business Press, I'm Dave Kaufman. Join us again tomorrow for another Biz Minute.